go. I've put my hand there to protect my address. Let's go up to what we're videoing. By the way, we have some stick and six eggs for free. Look. So new. Focus camera, please.
Someone is at the front door.
Someone is at the front door, it says. Since it's connected with Alexa, since it's by Amazon. This is the old doorbell that I used to have. Alexa, show me front door.
Okay.
And Alexa will also show you the front doors. As you can...
Come on, buddy.
Look. I can hear someone out there. Eddie, could you go outside and speak to me? There he goes, he's going to speak to me. Turn the microphone on. Hello? Hello?
Hello there.
Can you hear me? Can you actually hear the doorbell?
I can hear the doorbell, yeah.
Please can you come here and I can get you to the tab so you can hear me talking through the blink doorbell and then close the door. Could you just go out there? Don't stop videoing. Hello guys, can I just video you? And so that is my dad. Shout out to him for buying the new Ring doorbell.
Go on, you speak through it and then I'll hear you.
Close the door behind ya.
Go on then.
Hello?
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
The hello viewers, this is our new doorbell.
Okay.
Earlier. Oh, sorry, the car going past it.
Scott. It's a bit quiet when cars are going past me, so it struggles to hear.
Oh, that's okay.
But I heard you at the first part.
I did hear the car. I heard it through the camera. It was a white car. Ready, just wait. So I want to ding it so I can hear the thing.
Okay.
It still activates the old digital time box that chimed when we used to press this because this used to be in place for that Ring doorbell. Daddy, could you tell Alexa to stop?
What, in the living room?
Yeah.
What you can do? You can do it from here. Just say, Alexa, stop through the microphone.
Alexa, stop.
Try it again.
Alexa, stop.
Alexa, stop. I did it last night and it worked for me.
Oh. Okay, just turn it off. Hello? Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Nick. This is the old doorbell.
That's great. That is absolutely wicked.
Bye for now. Hope you enjoyed.